Hi, my name is Juan from CanFab. Today we're going to be working on the economizer controller. It's a Honeywell Jade 7220. To set up the control module, you're going to scroll down to System Setup. Hit Enter. It'll prompt you up to the date, install date. Hit Enter. You can change the day, change the month, and the year. Hit Enter and it'll say change stored. Next, we're going to go to set points. Hit Enter. That's going to be your mixture set. Hit it, Import. That'll change your degrees. This is your set point for your mixture set. Enter. Yes. Hit Enter. The change is stored. Go down to low temperature lockout. Set for 32 degrees. Hit Enter if you want to change that set point. Hit Enter to change the stored. Hit Enter and change the stored. Dry bulb set point. Hit Enter, change your set point. Enter again, change your stored. I'm going to be doing the checkout procedure. Scroll down to checkout. Hit Enter. Your damper Vmax. Enter. Test run. Enter. And it'll go to your temporary Vmax. This one doesn't have a set point, so it doesn't go anywhere. Next, you want to change your damper open. Hit Enter. And then the damper will open. It takes 90 seconds for a full cycle to go from fully closed to fully open. To exit the damper open test mode, hit the back button and the damper will start closing. We have a damper close test. Connect Y1. This will be your compressor. Hit Enter. Run. Enter. You hear a click. This would actually mean your compressor is on, and at this point your compressor, you should be hearing your compressor come on. Y2, same function as Y1. You can click Enter. Your second stage compressor would come on. Exhaust connection. Test run. Enter. Your exhaust contacts will be closing at this point. That concludes the checkout procedure. Thank you for watching the economizer control setup. Stay tuned for other videos coming up in control. If you need further assistance, you can check our website www.canfab.com or our phone number 1-800-232-2632.